In this video, we'll fill out an Iowa Last Will and Testament step by step with a sample person, Anna Baker. You can fill yours out free at FormsPal. This is general information, not legal advice. Start with you, the person making the will, the testator. Type your full name at the top, then in the opening line, your name again, the city where you live, and your county. Anna Baker lives in Des Moines, Polk County. Next, your family. Note whether you are married and name your spouse. Here, Ben Carter. Then list your children with their birth dates. Anna Baker has one daughter, Maria Baker. Now the heart of the will, who inherits. Name each beneficiary and what they receive. Anna Baker leaves her estate to her daughter, Maria Baker. If you have minor children, name a guardian to raise them if both parents are gone, and an alternate. Anna Baker names Ben Carter, then Carlos Diaz as backup. Choose your executor, the person who carries out your wishes, here, Carlos Diaz, with their address, and name an alternate too. So you want to make sure your last will and testament is legally valid. Let's walk through exactly what that takes. First, your will must be in writing. That's the starting point. Everything else builds on that foundation. Next, the will needs to be signed by you, the testator. That's your signature on the document. But only if that person is physically present with you at the time, and only if you have expressly directed them to do so. Last, sign your will. Print your name, then the city and state where you sign. Your witnesses sign too. Here, Devin Lee and Priya Shah. That is the whole will. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. Then print and sign it the way Iowa requires. This is general information, not legal advice.